In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add access to Microsoft Forms. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You can use any web browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. As you type in Microsoft Forms into the search bar, you will notice several links appearing in the search results. This initial step is crucial because it gets you to the platform where you can create and manage your forms. Once the search results load, you will see links to the official Microsoft Forms site. This is where you want to navigate to for the best experience. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. After selecting the official Microsoft Forms link, you may be directed to a login page. Here, enter your credentials, which may include your email address and password. Logging in is essential as it ensures that you have access to your forms and can make the necessary changes. If you are using a work or school account, ensure you have the right permissions. Once logged in, you will be taken to the dashboard of Microsoft Forms. Now, open your form in Microsoft Forms. You will see a list of forms you have created or have access to. Click on the specific form you want to add access to. This step is significant because it allows you to manage who can respond to your form. Once you've selected your form, it will open and display various options for editing and sharing your form. You are now ready to adjust the permissions. From there, click the Collect Responses button in the top right corner. This button is typically highlighted, making it easy to find. When you click on it, a menu will drop down, presenting various options for sharing your form. This action is important as it leads you directly to the settings that allow you to control how people can respond to your form. You should see options for sharing the link, customizing permissions, and more. This ensures that your form is set up the way you want it. After that, click the Permissions drop-down menu and select who can access it. You will have multiple choices, including anyone can respond, only people in my organization can respond, and specific people in my organization can respond. Choosing the right option is critical because it determines who will have access to your form. If you select anyone can respond, anyone with the link can fill it out. If you choose only people in my organization, you limit access to just your colleagues. Make your selection based on your needs. Once that is done, click Copy Link and send it via email, chat, or Teams. After selecting your permissions, you will see a link generated for your form. Clicking Copy Link allows you to store the link in your clipboard. This step is essential as it enables you to share your form easily. You can now paste this link into an email, a chat message, or even in Microsoft Teams. This makes it simple for others to access your form and respond to it, ensuring that your audience is engaged. At this point, you have successfully added access to your Microsoft form. You can now monitor responses and make any necessary adjustments later. Remember, managing access is vital for ensuring that only the intended audience can interact with your form. Following these steps will streamline your process and enhance your form's accessibility. Thank you for following along.